Hello children, welcome back to our EVS class. So last class we started this lesson weather and climate, and we completed two types of weathers also. What we studied in the last class, what kind of weather we studied in the last class? Yes, sunny and also cold. So two types of weather we studied, and I hope you completed your assignment also. Do you studied all the spellings? Okay, then we will move to the next type of weather. So before that, we can recap the important things that we completed in the last class. There are different types of weathers. On certain days it is cold and windy, on other days it is hot and sunny. On a sunny day, what are the specialties? You have to say, yes, the sky is clear, it is very hot. What type of clothes we have to wear? Cotton clothes, and we have to drink plenty of water. And some days are quite cold. It snows in some places. We have to wear what kind of clothes? Yes, woolen clothes, and we have to eat hot food also at that time. So next is we are going to study about the weather rainy. So do you like rain? Do you like to play in the rain? Do you like to play when it is raining? Yes. So what are the specialities on rainy day? The sky is covered with dark clouds. So before the rain, if you are checking the sky, you can see that the sky is covered with dark clouds, and it rains most of the time. During that particular weather, rainy season, most of the time it is raining. And at that time what we have to use? We have to use an umbrella, and what we are using at that time, that we studied in the last chapter in the first time. Yes, we have to wear raincoat and gum boots, and we have to use an umbrella also when we are going outside. People use raincoats, umbrellas, gum boots to protect themselves from the rain. And during the rainy season, if you are going outside, don't eat too much food items from the outside. Why? During the rainy time, there is a chance to spread many kind of diseases. So you should avoid the food from outside. So what are the specialties? The sky is covered with dark clouds and it rains most of the time. And what we have to use at that time? We have to wear raincoats and gum boots, and also we have to take an umbrella when we are going outside. And during rains, we should avoid eating food from outside. So there is a chance to get lot of disease from the outside. And next is windy. So you can see that there is a heavy wind is there. On a windy day, the wind blows strongly. We cannot go out to play also. You can see one child is holding an umbrella. What happened to that? Her umbrella? It's gone. And it is difficult to walk or cycle outside. So in a windy day, most of the time the heavy wind is blowing. At that time, we cannot go out to play, and it is very difficult to walk or cycle outside. And next weather is cloudy. From the picture you can understand what you mean by cloudy. On a cloudy day, clouds in the sky and it will cover the sun. It gets dark and rains at times. So in a cloudy day, we can't see the sun. The sun is covered with the dark clouds, and most of the days there is a chance to heavy rain also. So today we studied three types of climate. One is rainy. On a rainy day, we can see what we can see in the sky. Yes, dark clouds. And what is it indicating? It is showing there is a chance to rain. And we have to use raincoats, gum boots, and also an umbrella. At which time? When we are going outside. And during rains, we should avoid what? The food from outside. Next we studied windy. On a windy day, the wind blows strongly. We cannot go outside, we cannot play, and it is very difficult to walk or cycling on the road. And next, cloudy. What are the specialities of a cloudy day? The sky is covered with clouds, and that it will cover the sun, and it gets dark and rains at times. Okay, then next is our homework. Write and study the spellings of cloudy, windy, rainy, dark, blows. So you have to study the spelling of all these words. So first you have to write all these words one time in your notebook, and after that take your rough book and write these words and write and study 10 times. Write it 10 times and study the spelling. So we will see in the next class. So at that time you have to read your lesson very well. Read the lesson 3 times and also study the spellings and study the different types of weather and what are the things that we can see in that particular day. So we will see in the next class. Thank you.